Hey everybody, it's Charlie with Russ Darrow Kia Waukesha again. Today I wanted to give some tips for the first-time buyers out there. So a lot of times we might have a younger kid stop by the dealership. They don't know if they need a pre-approval, if they can get approved for a loan in general, if they need a parent to co-sign with them, what kind of vehicle they can afford, or any of that. So I wanted to give you some overall advice here to the first-time buyer to provide some peace of mind. So first things first, you don't need a pre-approval, which is great news. We work with over 20 different lenders here. So if there's a chance that you can get approved, I promise you, we can make it happen here. Sometimes you might need a parent to co-sign for you, specifically if you're under the age of 18 years old. But even if you're over the age of 18 years old, if you don't have paychecks to prove your income, most lenders are going to require incomes of $2,000 or above. Also, a valid driver's license, you're going to need that as well. And proof of insurance. You need to have a full coverage auto insurance policy in place. It doesn't necessarily have to have the VIN of the vehicle you're purchasing on the auto policy already. You can take care of that after the effect. But most of the time, auto loans are between 36 and 84 months. More common nowadays is definitely the 75, 72 to 84 month options, simply because that's the best and longest terms available to lower the monthly payment to make that kind of within the wheelhouse or the budgeting range that most people are looking for here, so you can get the most amount of car for the lowest amount of monthly investment, which in my opinion is going to be the best option for the large majority of people out there. But you can go shorter terms as well. We deal with prime lenders and people that are still working on developing their credit here as well, to give them a chance. If you are a first-time buyer, it might make sense to have a parent co-sign with you as well. That way you can secure prime or near prime rates. You're going to build your credit, but you're also not going to be paying a whole bunch of money to the bank in the meantime as well. And there's also a couple lenders that we use, like Summit Credit Union, Landmark Credit Union, that have great first-time buyer programs where you could maybe just be on the loan by yourself and also get a great rate. Even though you've never had an auto loan before, you've had very minimal credit history, people still do get approved for that. So if you have any questions or you're just looking to get approved for your first auto loan, please contact us here at 262-444-5445. You can ask to speak to either the sales managers and or finance. We can get you set up with an appointment and get you taken care of. Otherwise, take care. Happy fall. We'll see you guys soon.